Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a Coachmen Leprechaun 311FS. So allow me to introduce you guys to the best Class C motorhome that's perfect for full timing. This is the Coachmen Leprechaun 311FS, and there's a lot of awesome features on the outside. But first, check out this chassis. We got cameras on the left side, right side. Full body paint looks absolutely fantastic. This is made on an E450 chassis, which means it has a 7.3 liter V8 Godzilla engine. And look at these tires, Andrea, they're the Hancooks. I love those. Asdale on the sidewalls, nice storage with TV and entertainment on the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. Check out this awesome living room area. Fan-freaking-tastic. So right up front here is going to be your cockpit area for your motorhome while you're driving. Above is a bunk over the cab that holds 350 pounds. Safety netting for your kids that you love, that they roll off. And if you don't love your kids, just take this off. Nice front windshield up there. Right over here, we do got theater seats. Storage above there, nice big windows. This is a huge U-shaped dinette. I absolutely love that. Little bit of storage underneath, and this also drops down to make a bed. Your TV's right there, Furrion, with a very nice kitchen with solid surface countertops. Residential refrigerator. This is another thing which makes this motorhome great for full timing. You don't see this style in a Class C motorhome like this. Back here, this is the way to your bathroom. Walk all the way through and check out what you see. You see a combo washer dryer right there behind that door. Super nice. Right here in the bedroom, you got a queen size bed with a slide out. And to wrap it all up, go around the corner right there. You have a full walk-in closet, which you don't get on any motorhome whatsoever, especially this size, especially this price point. But thanks so much for checking out this quick little tour. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. We'll have a link in the bio. And if you're ready to buy this unit, perfect. Click that link down below, and a member of our team will reach out to you guys and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.